Cabbage is one of the cruciferous vegetable. It is known for its anti-cancer properties. Today my main focus is its amazing benefits related to the healing the intestinal barrier and lining. It contains a natural chemical called glutamine, which is wonderful for conditions like ulcers, leaky gut, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, gastritis, and acid reflux. It is a great remedy for any issues related to intestinal wall. You can consume it in various forms such as coleslaw, salad, juice, but if you are cooking cabbage, steam it slightly and avoiding overcooking to retain its beneficial properties. Person having serious digestive issues must include cabbage in their diet every single day. It is observed that people typically do not experience bloating when consuming cabbage, and that is the wonderful healer for digestive problems. Comment your experience with the healing power of cabbage. Thanks for watching.